Alright, you can see right now, we got standing water, and it ain't going nowhere. Alright, we got our Crystal Heat clog dissolver made by Zip. I tried a lot of different things, and this is so far this is pretty much the best things I've ever used. You see, it's made for kitchen and bathroom sinks, tubs, and showers. So you can see it says it's made for grease, but it works for a lot of things. Most clogs that we get, it'll take them on out. But what it does is it sits in the pipes for about 15 minutes, and it heats up really hot. It gets hot on contact with water, so you want to try not to get it on you. You see, I try to use the plastic cup. And then once you pour it in the drain, you want to do a little, cover it up for a few minutes because it'll bubble and smoke. Once you put it in, you're just going to wait about 15 minutes. And you can see already most of the water in the tub has went down. We're going to let it sit there and do its job. After 15 minutes, what I'll do is I'll give it a little plunge and try to go ahead and finish breaking up everything that it softened up, and usually that'll go ahead and clear it out. But if not, you might have to repeat the process about twice if it's a bad clog. Alright, it's been about 2 or 3 minutes, and you can see all the water's already gone down. You can see there's still a little bit of crystals left in the drain here. So the more water that passes through and the less water left, the hotter the water there will be able to get because of the crystals. So that's why it's important to give it enough time for it to do its job and work. I want you to listen to this. You can hear the product working. This is normal. This is how it sounds when it's in there dissolving the clog for you. Put it off so you can hear it better, but really what you want to do is keep the drain covered up, because if the clog is really close to the top of the lines, it can splash and bubble back a lot right here. So you want to make sure this drain's covered up. See, it's been about 10 or 15 minutes at least, and you can hear it's still in there going to war. It's been doing its job now. Should have loosened up whatever's in there. Want to go grab the plunger and give it a little plunge. You can see it's going down a lot faster now than it was. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through and do the process probably one more time. I'm going to fill it back up again with this Crystal Heat, let it sit another 5 or 10 minutes. Give it another plunge, and then that's what I'm going to call it. All right. I'm going to sit here and do this thing again for about at least another 10 minutes. And give it one more plunge so it can finish clearing out the clog, and that's going to be it. And this is a very bad clog, you guys. Usually this works on the first try. But you see this one, it wasn't going down at all. So sometimes on a real bad clog it will take twice, but it's still cheaper than calling a plumber. You can see right now, it's draining pretty good. So about 30 minutes of time. It's less than $10 for a bottle, and we didn't even use half the bottle. So maybe $5 in 30 minutes. We didn't have to call a plumber. And if it gets clogged up again later, we still have another half a bottle we can use to get it unclear again. So this was a success.